Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to preview your video in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, within the video app, you can just create a new one or open an existing project. In order to open an existing project, tap on the file icon present at the middle bottom. Within it, you will see the list of the projects. Now, tap on any project. Once your project is open, look for the preview or play icon in the editor. This icon is present at the top beside the download button. Tap on it. Now it will start playing your video. While previewing, listen carefully to the AI voiceover while making sure that the narration sounds natural and matches the on-screen text. If you notice any error, you can just pause the preview and edit the text or voice. As the video plays, please make sure to check the images and video clips in each scene while ensuring that it fits properly within the frame and matches your video message. If something looks off, you can just replace or reposition the media. After previewing, return to the editor to make changes. You can edit the text or switch visuals while changing voiceovers or adjusting the background music. After editing, preview your video again to confirm all the updates are correct. And once you are satisfied with the result, you can just download and share it. And that's how you can successfully preview your video in Fliki. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.